Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you win a Vita Mahjong game but your reward, hints, shuffles, coins, or credits never actually showed up in your account? Here's the fix. First, force close the Vita Mahjong app completely from your recent apps, and then wait for a few hours and reopen it. The reward display sometimes lags behind the actual credit, and a fresh session resyncs your account balance from the server, which shows rewards that were credited in the background but not displayed. After reopening, check your current hint, shuffle, and coin count. They may already be there and the screen just failed to update. If the rewards are genuinely missing after refreshing, go to your settings, then go to the list of apps and find Vita Mahjong or directly search for it and confirm that cellular data is turned on. Since reward crediting happens server side and can fail silently on a weak or offline connection, keeping a strong connection during this and immediately after a gameplay prevents this from happening. If rewards consistently don't credit over multiple games, contact Vita Studio support through the App Store developer link with your player ID and the date and the rewards were missing. So all you gotta do is force close and reopen to sync your account, confirm your connection is active during gameplay, and contact Vita Studio with your player ID for persistent missing awards. Subscribe.